Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix if your Arena Breakout is logging in your device. So let's get on it. So this video is fairly simple. So if your device overheats and lags during gameplay, you'll need to simply go to the settings on your device or in your Arena Breakout and then go to the graphics section into your settings, and then just simply turn down the graphic and the frame rate settings to avoid overheating and lagging. So most of the time, the lag in your Arena Breakout is because of the graphics on your game and the frame rate. So we can go ahead and turn that down and see if that fixes the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.